Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, one by one. Right? Thank you. Right? Yes. Right. Today we are going to discuss about alphanumeric series. We are discussing letter series. We discussed number series also. Right now, alphanumeric series. Right? Some more examples we can discuss now. See the first example. Yes. So, one series is given by using the letters and numbers both combinedly, then we will say alphanumeric series, right? Alphanumeric series. Yes, my students, what is the question mark place here? Yes, what you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, kindly find out this answer, right? Yes, what you will get in the question mark place? We are saying alphanumeric series here now, we are discussing alphanumeric series, right? So, what you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? 1 AB2. So, numbers and letters mixed is given alphanumeric series. Alphanumeric series. So, let me know the answer here. Alphanumeric series we are doing, my dear students. Yes. So, alphabets and numbers mixed is given here. Alphabets and numbers mixed is given here. Alphabets and numbers mixed is given here. Yes, tell me. Yes. How they did it means A the place value is 1 and B the place value is 2. C the place value is 3, D the place value is 4. So, E is the place value 5, F is the place value 6, G is the place value 7, H is the place value 8. So, he is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, you will get I place value is 9 and J place value is 10. So, only the letter place value is written at the side of the letter here, this letter place value is here and this letter place value is here. Is the place value is I for 9 and J for 10. So, you will get option number 1, I place value is 9 and the J place value is 10. Alphanumeric series we are doing means alphabets and the place values, numbers, mixed questions are coming here now. Did you understand all of you, or shall I explain once again, right? Very easy question, easy model, yes. Yes, see it clearly, yes, what is given there here. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H continuously the alphabets are going on. So, the next pair you will get G, H, I and J you will get, I and J you will get. So, here A place value written here, I place value 9 here, here B place value, so J place value is 10. So, 9ij 10, 9ij 10, the option is here 1, option is here 1. Alphanumeric series we are doing, alphanumeric series we are doing, right? Right, all of you do you understand, right? Yes. One more example we can do, yes. Now, see the second example, right? So, what you will get the answer, try just we can discuss now, right? Yes, many of you just see what you will get in the place of question mark here. What you will get in the place of question mark. Yes, let me know the answer here. Yes, what you will get in the place of question mark. A1 and B4, C9 and question mark E25. Yes, we are doing the alphanumeric series, alphabets and the place values are there here. Yes, let me know the answer here. Yes, what you will get here. We are doing alphanumeric series. We did all letter series, we did number series. Now, mixed we are doing alphanumeric series we are doing, right? We are doing alphanumeric, the place values and the letters is the maximum play role here, key role here, right? Yes, what you will get you see here. So, A1 is written and B4 and C9 and E25 question mark is there in the middle. Yes, let me know. Yes, here A place value is 1 and if you do here 1 square is 1. A place value is 1 and if you square it the place value 1 square is 1. Here the B place value is 2. If you square it 2 square that is 4. So, letter and the place value and the side value is given as square of that place value. So, 1 square, 2 square and here 3 square. The place value of C is 3 and 3 square is written here. 3 square is written here. So, letter 1, 2, 3. So, you will get the letter 4, that is D. So, here letter 4 is D. Letter 4 is D. You need to do square of that number. 4 square 16. So, you will get D16. You will get D16, option number 3. Option number 3. What is given here means letter is given, the letter place value is squared. Here letter is given, the letter place value squared. Letter is given, letter place value squared. The same process if you go on, A, B, C, D, E is given. So, D you will get, the place value is 4 and if you square it, 4 square is 16. Yes, my students, right? Yes. Next one, consecutive letters is given and the place value is squared, right? One more example I will give. One more example I will give, right? See once here, what is the example next one? Yes. Yes, find out the next one. Yes. Yes, see this one, what question is given there here? See this one. Yes, what you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? Yes. Let me know the answer here. Yes. Yes, my students, right? 1B1 and 2D2 is given. 3F3, 4H4. What you will get the next series? What you will get the next series? 1B1, 1B1. Suppose if you take this number 1 and this number 1, if we add 1 plus 1, second number, second, what is the second place value? B, that is written there. Here 2 plus 2, that is 2 plus 2 is 4, that is fourth letter. So, that is fourth letter. Either side the numbers adding, the sum is giving the place value of the letter. Either side the numbers if we add, that sum is giving the place value of the middle letter. So, now what you will get here? Yes, 3 plus 3 that is 6 is there here. 4 plus 4 that is 8 is there here. So, now what you will get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, next you will get 5, next you will get 5, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, so that is 10, the place value is there in the middle. Yes, option number 4, option number 4. One more example I will give, one more example I will give, just you see. So, what is the next example? Yes, did you understand or shall I explain once again? Yes, all of you understood, right? Yes. Now, one more question. So, what is the question you see here? What is the question you see? Yes. Let me know the answer for this question here. What you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? First given 2W3, 1S9 and 1Q7, 1K1 and is there in the middle question mark. So, in what way, in what pattern, in what logic, in what rule the series is going on, you need to find out. What is the place of question mark here? Yes. What is the place of question mark? Yes. What is the logic here? What is the logic here in this pattern? What number is there here? 2W3 is there. 2W3, the first one. So, 2W3, if you take W, the place value of W is 23. The place value of W is 23. If you take the second one, IS9 is there, IS9 is there. So, S place value is 19, S place value is 19. If you take the third one, if you take the third one, IQ1Q17, Q place value is 17. And if you take the last one, if you take the last one, yes, that is K is given 11 place value. So, middle place you need to get. If you observe clearly, 23 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, 17 also prime number, the next prime number is missing, 11 is there. So, you will get here 13. So, what is the 13 place value belongs to M? 13 place value belongs to M. So, either side of the letter, the prime number is written separately, W is written 23. So, place value only written either side of the letter Here yes, 19 is the prime number, either side of the letter 2 digits written. So next one 17 is the prime number, either side of the letter written. The next prime number is 13. So 1 3 1 3, you need to write this 1 3 either side of the place value. So 1 3 means m. So m you write here 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So second option is the correct one. Second option is the correct one. I think, did you understand all of you, right? Yes, my students. Here the place values of the prime numbers written either side of the letter, either side of the letter, and the prime numbers are in decreasing order. The prime numbers are in decreasing order. Next, one more example I will give. Yes, one more example I will give. See this one. Yes, what is the example? Yes, find out the answer for this question. We can discuss now. Yes, alpha numeric series we are doing. Alpha numeric series we are doing. A3B, C1B, D9E, E1D, and what you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, yes, try, you can discuss in seconds. What answer you will get, what way you will get, what pattern you will get, and what is the rule they followed here, okay, how they did it, this question, in what manner, just find out, we can discuss now. Yes, if you take here this place value of A is 1 and the place value of B is 2. So 1 plus 2 if you do, that is 3. 1 plus 2 if you take, that is 3. So here the place value is 3 and the place value is 2. 3 minus 2 if you do, that is given as 1. That is given as 1. Yes, yes, right. Next one, this is the place value of 4 and this one is 5. If we add this one, the place value of 9. So one is adding, the other one is subtracting. One is adding, the other one is subtracting. And here E 5 and D is 4. E is 5 and D is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So what you will get here, next one? Yes, what you will get here, next one? 3191 is there, 3191. So next you will get, so what pattern you will get here? What pattern you will get here? 6 and 7 if you take G, and many have written F and G, many have written F and G. So F is 6th letter and G is 6 plus 7 is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. Yes, very good, very good. Option number 5 is correct only, right? 6 plus 7 is right. Yes. Go for the next question. What is given there here? Yes. Let me know the answer for this question. Yes. B by 8 and D by 64, F by 216, and question mark is given, J by 1000, J by 1000. So what answer you will get in the place of question mark? What answer you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, let me know the answer here. B by 8 and D by 64 and F by 216 and J by 1000. So what you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, now see, what you will get in the place of question mark means B is second letter, B is second letter, but here 8 is there, this is 2 cube. This is 2 cube. So B is second letter, the place value. So 2 cube is written in the denominator. Yes, D is 4, D is 4, D is 4, and here 4 cube is written here, 4 cube is written here. So D place value is 4 and 4 cube is written in the denominator. So 2, 4 even numbers are going on. Next one 6, F is 6 and 6 cube is going on. 6 cube is going on, right? Yes, what is given there here? B by 8, D by 64, F by 216, and you will get 2, 4, 6 even numbers are going on. So you will get 8 here, 8. So 8 by 8 cube. So 8 letter is, so H, 8 letter H is 8th letter. So H and 8 cube means 512, H by 512. So where it is there in the option number 3, option number 3. Yes, my students, right? Yes, very good. Place value, and the place value is cubed here. In the numerator is place value, denominator is cube of the place value. numerator is place value, denominator is cube of the place value. If you go on like that, even numbers are going on 2, 4, 6, 8. So, 8th letter is H by 8 cube 512. Yes, my students, all of you did understand, all of you, right? Yes, I will give one more example. Yes, see this one more example. What is the answer? Just you need to find out. Yes, we can discuss now. Q6W is given T13G and K7D P9G. What is the question mark here? Yes, what is the question mark here? What is there in the question mark? QW, Q6W, Q6W. Yes, Q6W. T13G, K7D, P9G, P9G, and what you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, let me know the answer here. What you will get in the place of question mark? Q6W, Q6W is there. So, this is 17th letter, this one is 17th letter, and this is 23rd letter. If you take the difference between 17 and 23, you are getting 6. Yes, the place values difference is there in the middle. The place values difference is 23 minus 17 is there is 6. Yes, there, right, very good. So, next one T and G is there, T and G. So, 20 minus 7 is there, 13. Yes, is there here. 20 minus 17, 20 minus 17. So, here 17, 23. Yes, 20, 17. Next one is given here 11 and 4 here, 11 and 4. So, the difference is 11 minus 4 is 7 is there here. Difference is 11 minus 4. Next one is given that, 16 minus 7, that is 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. Yes, very good. Yes, what answer will get here? So, the difference of the number either side letters place values is given in the difference letter. Yes, R21C is this is 18th letter and this is 3rd letter. 18 plus C is 21. 18 plus C is 21, but we are doing difference here. Somebody written R21C, but by adding you are getting. So, this is not correct. One of you written R21C. We are doing the difference here. 17, 23 minus 17 is 6. 20 minus 7 is 13. 11 minus 4 is 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Difference only we are seeing. Difference only we are seeing. Yes. So, what is the difference here? What is the difference here? If you take this is 10 and this is 17. Difference is not 16. So, if you take N13A, N is 14. N is 14 and A is 1. 14 minus 1 is 13. Yes, this one is correct. Yes, yes, very good, right. If you take this one 10 and 17, the difference is not 16. 6 and 3, difference is not 18. Here H and 2, difference is not. Difference is, yes, very good. Difference 8 and 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. So, what you will get here? What you will get here? H you will get or N you will get? H you will get or N you will get? Yes. What series is going on? Yes, let me know. Here two answers are difference of 14 minus 1 is 13 and difference of 8 minus 2 also 6. So, by 3 and 4 what option you will get here? Yes, some of you written N13A, N13A is correct or HB is correct. Yes, here we will get H6B you will get or N13A you will get. Yes, let me know the difference here. Q is started Q23, yes, TG, Q23, TG, KD, PG. Yes, what process is following here? What process is following here? Yes, let me know. Still, what answer will get? These two, which answer will get? The series is going on here. The series is going on here. What is the series is going on means here? If you see, this is 17, this is 23. The difference is 23 minus 17 is 6 here. That is there here. That is the process going on. So, here 17, 23, here 20 and 7. So, the difference 20 minus 17 is 13. Yes, now see here 11 and 4. 11 minus 4 is 7 and here 16 minus 7, that is 9. So, now we need to get answer here somebody writing N13A and somebody writing H6B. Which one is correct here? So, this is a consonant and this is also consonant. This one also consonant, this one also consonant. So, this is also consonant, this is also consonant, and this one also and this one also, right? Yes. Now see, so you will get N13A or H6B. Yes, answer is here N13A. Answer is here N13A. Why? Because here one of the two values is prime number, 17 prime number, 23 prime number, here 7 prime number, here 11 prime number, here 7 prime number. One of the prime number we are taking here. Here 13 is a prime number, so here 14 is a prime number, 1 is not a prime number. Here one prime number is there continuously. Yes, but here what answer will get? A N13A, 1 N13A. Many of writing, some of written prime number. How you will find out the prime number? Yes, I got your answer, but here 17, 23 prime number, difference not prime number. Somebody writing prime numbers. Yes, very good. 7 prime number, 11 prime number, but here 14 and A. 14 is not a prime number, 1 also not a prime number. Yes, somebody written. Yes, we can take H6B also, right? We can take H6B, 6 minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, and this is a consonant, this is also consonant. The same process is following here. Everything is consonant and this is vowel. This one is vowel. We can take H6B, right? Yes, right. The next question. What is given there? N15A, P18B, R21C and question mark V27E. V27E. So, what process you follow here? N15A and P18B, R21C, V27E, and what you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, let me know the answer here. Yes, what you will get here? If you take the first letters N, P, R and is going on, the first letters N, P, R, so 14, 16, 18, so the next one you will get. Yes, let me know the answer here. So, this is 14th letter and this is first letter, 14 plus 1 is 15th letter, and the series is going on 14, 16, 18, so you will get 20. So, 20 means answer starts with T. So, this is not required, this is also not required, this is also. So, answer starts with T, and here this is given as 1, 2, 3 and 4 you will get. So, 4, 20 plus 4, 24 will be there in the middle. So, T24D, T24D. So, by adding either side of by adding the letters place value, you are getting the middle number. So, started with 14, 16, 18 and so on like that, 20, 22. One more example you see. Yes. Yes, try to do this question. BC 25, CE 64, EZ 144, GK 324. What is the next series? What is the next series? BC 25, CE 64, EZ 144 and GK 324. So, what is the next one? What is the next one? Yes, this is second letter and this is third letter. 2 plus 3 is 5, that is 5 square. So, this is BC and CE is there. So, BC, the C is going on here, C and 5, C plus 3 plus 5, that is 8, 8 square is there here, 8 square. Okay. And next is going on, E is coming to this place, yes, E and G. E and G. So, here is E 5 and G is 7. So, 2, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 7. 2, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 7. So, 5 plus 7 is 12. So, 12 square is here. So, next you will get here G will continue here. So, G and 11, 7 and 11, that is 18. 18 square is 324. So, K will continue there. So, K will continue here. K means 11. The next prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 11, 13. 11 plus 13. So, 11 plus 13 if we take, that is 24. 24 square means that is 576. 11th letter is K and 13th letter is M. KM 576. KM 576. Fourth option. KM 576. Yes. Yes, very good. Many of you written the same. Yes, very good. Yes. KM 576. Very good. Right. One more example I will give. One more example I will give. Yes. You see one more example. Yes. Let me know the answer for this question. Yes. 1I8, 4H6, 9G4 and 6F3. So, what you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, how they given once you see means, how they given once you see means, this is ninth letter, 9 square is 81, the 81 reverse is 18, 81 reverse is 18. So, this is 8th letter, so 8 square is 64, if reverse is 46. So, this is 7th letter, 7 square is 49, if you reverse is 94. If you reverse it, 94. Yes, 9th letter, 8th letter, 7th letter, 6th letter, this is 6 square, 36. So, if you reverse 63. So, 9th letter, 8th letter, 7th letter, 6th letter and you will get 5th letter. So, 5th letter means 5 square, 25. So, 5th letter is E. So, 25 reverse means you need write 5 here and 2 here, 5 to E. Yes, where it is there in the option number 1. Yes. So, what they did means here, this is I 9th letter, 9 square is 81. So, 81 is reverse means 18. So, that is 9th letter 18 and this is 8th letter 8 square 64. If you reverse it 46. So, this is 8th letter that is H. So, 9th letter, 8th letter, 7th letter, 6th letter and 5th letter 5 square 25, 2 5 should be written as 5 2, option number 1. The place value is written in reverse order. One more example, one more last example for today. Write C once here, next one, yes. Let me know the answer here for this question. Yes, B1A, D8E, F27I, J125Q. So, what you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, this is 1 cube we can write, I will give a Q. This is 2 cube we can write 8. So, this is 3 cube and this is 5 cube. So, you will get here 1, 2, 3, 4 cube you will get means 64 you will get 64. So, 3 options are there by using 64. Yes. So, what you are getting here, second letter, 4th letter, 6th letter, 8th letter you will get here and 10th letter. So, what is 8th letter? H. So, H64, H64, all 3 options are started with X. So, what is the next one? 1 first letter, next one 5th letter, next one 9th letter. So, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13th letter, 9 plus 4 13th letter, where it is 13th letter, yes. So, if you take here, so B, D, F question mark and J. So, plus 2 means you will get here 4th letter, 6th letter, 8th letter and plus 2. This is the first letter series and these are cubes, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube you will get here H you will get and here 5 cube. So, second letter series if you take here A, E, I means 1, 5 plus 4 9 plus 4 13. So, that is M, 13th letter means M. So, plus 4 means 17th letter Q is there. So, last letters are following plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. First letters are following plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and the middle numbers are following cubes. Now, what you will get? So, H64M, H64M, yes this one, yes. Like this you need to find the answer for the question, right? Yes, thank you all of you. Tomorrow we can meet with the beautiful models, right? Thank you all of you, right?